When we use our sense of smell, we are actually using a chemical detector to navigate the world around us. When that information is taken away from us, it can be devastating. It's very difficult for people to assess safety or to assess even social interactions. People have described it to me as if they were seeing in color and now everything is in black and white. Smell for Life is a multi-pronged effort on the part of the Monell Center to identify the different kinds of olfactory disorders, to identify some of the mechanisms that lead to those disorders, and look for ways to counteract that, as well as that we can implant in someone and restore a sense of smell where one had been completely ablated.
So we know that different people smell the world slightly differently. Same way that some individuals have color blindness, some people also have receptors that function differently than others. We look at people who have genetic variation, they're missing a particular receptor. We wanted to know, when you miss one receptor, what does that do to your sense of smell? One of the most exciting things in science is a cochlear implant. The device that you can give to people who have no ability to hear, and it bypasses part of the pathway that's damaged and connects directly to the nerve and takes the audio signals that we hear, converts them into a neural signature. We should be able to do this for people who have lost their sense of smell. If the nerve is still intact, we may be able to design a device that can detect what molecules are there in the environment, convert that into a neural signature, and send that into the brain.
It was always presumed that the damage to the part of the brain with neurodegenerative diseases was hitting the olfactory area first. What if we turn that around? What if the lack of stimulation of the olfactory system is what's producing some level of cognitive loss? We need to start thinking about smell as being more multifaceted. That's where we need to focus our attention.